Hello everyone, I hope all are doing great. So today you are going to learn how to create deployable package. Okay, so what is this deployable package means? Like for example, after completing your development or after completing your customization. So what you do usually, you'll just check in the code. After that, that particular package will be deployed to the like other instances, right? So similarly, how are you going to create the deployable package? So yeah, let me show you that particular process to create a deployable package. For that, you need to navigate to the extensions menu, and after that, there will be a Dynamics 365 here option. So under this Dynamics 365, you will be able to see the other options here, model management, etc. So here you have to just select the deploy and you have direct option to create the deployable package. Okay, just click on this deployable package. Once you click on this deployable package, you will be able to see your custom model. So whatever the model that you are using, you have to select that model. Right now I don't have any custom models here. That's the reason you won't be able to see. If you have the model, just click that checkbox because you'll have a checkboxes. So just check that checkbox, and after that you have to store that particular package inside any location. So for that, you just click on this three dots icon. So when you just click on this, you'll be able to see these options. So most probably for every, in every company, you'll be having a K folder. Okay, let's say under the K folder, now let me show you how it look like. How where we can just check. Sorry. Uh, so you'll be basically you'll be having in K folder, you'll be having one folder for the deployable package separately. Okay, so for that, what you have to do it is just let me just show you. For example, this is my deployable package folder. What I'll do, I'll select the folder and I'll just click on this particular OK button so that it will show you the path. Okay, but in our case, in real time case, you can just check the deployable folder. So there will be a deployable package folder, okay, separately in the K drive, I guess, most probably. So just select that and click on create. So when you click on create, what's going to happen means whatever the packages, whatever the customizations that you have built, everything will be processed. Okay, everything will be as a package it is going to create. So after that, you can just deploy that into the other instances. This is how where you can create a deployable package. It's very easy actually from the Visual Studio. Yeah, thank you so much. See you in the next video.